Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2015 BMW M235i xDrive executive package in the red finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle does have a clean accident-free Carfax. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, adaptive headlights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, lane departure warning and collision warning system, heated steering wheel, power folding side mirrors, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a Harmon Kardon sound system, heated front seats, drive mode select, park assist sensor switch, sunroof, black interior in great shape, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.